applicable to you.
In what sense?
In terms of ukuthi, let's say
Spitori yakho.
ungaphendula kunenkinga.
Bayede, why are you calling
Guys, no, kushuthi ke
It's meant to be.
yazenzakalela.
So I don't think I believe in that. Angazi. Plus now I'm one person. You would think ukuthi I'm actually maintaining eye contact now. Kanti mina I'm just uyabona. Kanti wena ujida ulapho. Ngiyena majideni ukuthi mfethu like ububu was literally staring at me.
Na ngilomuntu lo uhlezi athi bayamfuna amabembheke.
No,
njalo basuke bangabheka kanjani.
You I know. I'm sorry to say this on podcast, but this one I know ukuthi ukhuluma ngani because like yes. Those things when they happen, I'm around. One of my friends, nje uyamthanda nje as
Umthanda
uthanda yena?
Umthanda nje like every day. If like
Makamandi umngani wakho ukuza ku podcast ngi20.
Nkosi yamkhohlwa
Bayakuthanda boy.
Like she's very shy.
No,
Like, she's very shy.
Singing.
She would faint. Ukuba just next to him, she would
uthini wena?
literally like
studio. You guys can sing.
So wena Spitori uzoyincanga vele.
Nafile boy. Ya urase ke. Lesikuzo. Say Tomil, what? Okay.
Say Tomil. Hey yo, what it do, fam? It's that time once again. It's the Vibescape Origin Podcast, where it's before me. Hold on. Ngizothi ne mangiqeda ukushaya le intro le so shaya islogan kancane ne ngithi when no topic is off bese nithi topic ne when no topic is off topic ya mara ngifuna energy I want energy man yeah hey what it do welcome again bafethu that time Vibescape Origin Podcast the government when no topic is off
topic.
When no topic is off,
Topic.
It's your boy Ubayede bafethu umzukulu kaMkhwane usikhathi kumele singekazi uchilile usifunda ngoba izembe hlase njengesilo samanzi umlambo ongawela ngezibuko wela ngezihlenga zikhula. Olele ke bafana angihambi ngedwa I'm not alone ngiphethe my co-host uSpitori the one and only legend in the making. I khohlwa futhi.
Yes. For
the
first time ngisiba ama-flowers.
Ngiyakunika njalo. We're not alone. We have a very special and beautiful guest today. Ngithanda ukuthi as introduce ngoba angifuni kube ngathi manje ngikhuluma kakhulu.
Yes.
Hi guys, sanibonani lo khulumayo uNombuyiselo wakwaMdungwane aka Bubu the vocalist usisintombenhle umakoti nje weZulu Society. Sanibonani.
Ngiyakutshela. Ziyakhala bafethu. Before we proceed ngathanda ukuthi asinikeze like intro kancane nje ngaye yabo so that people can know who she is. Ngibuye ngithanda ukuyihlukanisa ke lento ne apparently she's also a vocalist and care so ngithanda ukuthi ahlukanise
2 personalities
yes
and 2 activities.
Yes.
So uzoqala ngayiphi?
Asicele original iqala
Then
and
kune
then
fake.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not faking. No, angibeki kanjalo. Angibeki kanjalo ne. Ngifuna like sihlukanise from yena ngaphandle kobu vocalist, do you understand?
Okay.
Who is Nombuyiselo and who is you as a vocalist as well ngiyacabanga
And
phela
who's
ukuthi
way as umakoti wezulu
wezulu
Yes.
kukathathu bafethu kukathathu so sicela nje uzazise so that
From where the journey started.
correct
Oh, okay, sharp.
mara uzoqala azazise ubuyena
Yeah, kuqala.
and then
Okay.
walk us through ijourney yakho to be a vocalist and then
How you navigated through all the
yeah
things.
and then so makoti wezulu society how that came about.
Okay.
Stage is yours.
Ngiyabonga guys. So, like I said, igama lami nguNombuyiselo okwamdungwane nje uMadiya Nkosi yami umayemiyemi mangqulumsila.
And I was
Ubuwa lapho.
I'm a Xhosa Han. I'm just a Xhosa Han, just that.
Ewe.
Ke goletse ko Bophirima, that's why Lutla Setswana sa ka re se tlhapile. My mom ke Motswana from Kudungwane, and yeah, ke godile nje around Botswana. I'm still trying to learn my language though. I'm still trying
Which one?
to.
Xhosa?
Yeah, I'm still trying to learn Xhosa.
Hey, sipo kakhulu.
Yeah, Setswana sa ka ke Setswana sa ko Bophirima la se se tlhapileng ka gore ke godisitswe ke Batswana tota.
Yo.
And yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I was just saying my son is just that Setswana from Bophirima side. You get my point. So I would say uNombuyiselo, I'm one person. I love culture. Ukuthi nje umswati wini, I just love exploring as a person. You understand? And ngikhule vele mina ngishy. I was a very shy person growing up. I didn't know how to sing. Just umuntu nje ngiye esontweni ngibuye and nothing hectic because my dad is so strict, like so strict. So but yeah, Leo is one like strict baba, like strict nje, like getting for 6. Yeah,
well, it's normal.
I think it's normal, but like nikinana gore yentse ke gola, like you will adjust nyana uzinje uyakhula namanje, but
Still the same.
yeah, but it's fine. Then ngakhula njalo nje mangifika nje grade 9, there's other guys from my class, they were like, do you know how to sing, boo boo, plus you are a church girls knows to sing and stuff like that. Yes, mina ngikwazi ukucula, you understand? Be like, your dad was a soloist tenor, your family nje abantu basekhaya nje they can sing, like they can sing. I was like, I'm not sure, but you just come to the studio, you know those kasi rappers, but sikufake nje sifuna nje abumreba, yeah, but we just want nje vocalist nje easy lentombazane nje. Ngithi okay ngifike, okay, oh okay, I can sing most, I'm not that bad. Okay, that's how I started ukuthi nje ngibe vocalist. I want then bangibuza ukuthi like do you like have a stage name on mind and stuff like that. So at church, like a lot of people, they cannot pronounce uNombuyiselo. You get me? Because like ke Batswana mostly. So they were like boo boo. You like, let's just call you boo boo.
Oh yeah.
You understand? Just to avoid eating and then boo boo, okay, no problem, boo boo. Then I was like, guys, at church they call me boo boo. We can just go for like boo boo the vocalist.
Yes.
You know, that's how the whole name boo boo the vocalist came up. And yeah, I continued like that. Ngiyacula, attended the events with them. Now I'm kind of like, getting that type of like framing Anna from school, from my class. You know, my parents knows what she sings, but like my dad didn't want that.
Getting the from singing.
Yeah.
Like from school, like assembly.
Even at assembly, I was singing. I was started like to sing, like getting comfortable. Now I know what's like, girl, you can sing.
Correct.
You get my point.
Your confidence, yeah.
Yeah. Well, then ekasi bayazi ukuthi nje like that girl is singing, we vocalist. Nje kuba mnandi nje, yabo. Okay, enjoying. I'm recording, but I don't release anything. I'm not signed with anything. It's just me. You get me? Okay, ngikabi mude kakhulu, guys. Then obviously I got done with matric, which is 2023. After matric, I went to like a private college in Gateta. I graduated last year. Thank you. Then Blessing is Alana, and I got here already. I'm the vocalist. I've been getting so many gigs. I promise you, like I got so many gigs so far. I don't wanna lie, and I've been like so far. I've been managing myself. You get me?
Yes.
And yeah, I would just get like gigs myself. Boo yeah, please wala. I'm a party because like
Then
my
you talk to the
songs.
promoters for yourself.
Yeah, for myself, I would promote myself like everything. We are born because like I do like different type of music.
Yes,
We are
yes.
born theater like in different like locations, like
Correct.
events, stuff like
I
that.
think that's a strong point because I'm a fitter anywhere.
Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
that's
I
true.
because like I
Yeah,
like
that's true.
sometimes I'm there. I have like some R&B songs, hip hop. There are events that I can, piano versus hip hop. I can attend that event. I can both like perform a piano song and a hip hop song. Like you get my point.
Correct.
I can go to like weddings. I have like type of wedding songs that Afro Poponyane, I do have those songs too. And love songs, obviously they all dominate. They all dominate nje Nkosi yami. Even though ningambuzi nje ukuthi ngiyajabula kanjani.
Sizokubuza mama ngoba
Ningambuzi
Hey,
ngizobela
sokubuza.
ukhala ngithi yes.
bekumoya phansi ungawari sokubuza.
No, ningambuzi
Sokubuza.
kanjani. Right. Then ngezalana esikolweni I attended lento le the opening thing sakhumbula la.
Talent extravaganza.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perform nje like Ikamaku nje. That song actually my mom was the one who wrote lyrics for me.
Oh,
That was
is
very
it?
cute.
It's your
Yeah.
song. It's called Tamako.
Yeah, Kamaku.
Oh.
Yeah, it's my song. I love that
Yeah.
one
Can I
very
hear
much.
it?
Uzoyizwa.
Uzoyihera.
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 How?
Okay.
Ule-
Okay.
Yeah.
Then
Uzoyihera.
ngafika lana esikolweni like I said ekuqaleni ukuthi like I love culture and whenever I see like there's Zulu people on social media gigging and everything, then I found out ukuthi like they are actually doing that lana esikolweni. You understand? Then I just made a video like TikTok ukuthi like they should invite me. The page they actually invited me to just come to Ingoma Friday. How? Mangfika mina like they were prepared. People are dressing me up. How? Sengimuhle nje amezulu nje. Hayi untombele sisi ngithi hawo iyathathwa yini but ya umakoti wethu nje. Uyabona usumufana
Ziyakhala, yo.
wamshela.
Hayibo.
Usumufana nje wamshela nje on behalf of the society long.
Uthini awucoce kahle ucoce kahle kanjani umfana
Like honestly, I didn't know nothing. When I got there, they be like, "You don't mind like wearing short things? You know how Zulu girls wear like those towels." I was like, "No, they are very cute. I don't mind. They were dressing like beads and everything." Ngimuhle manje sengihlala phansi yililili okay ngihlase phansi manje the other one uzakum uthi kuzoba nomfana uzosukuma yeso makasukuma he will take off that thing yakhe inale mabuwa
Correct.
yeah
Umqhele.
yeah yoneleyo uzoyisusa bese wena like if you uyavumelana naye uzosusa le yakho umnike yona bese yena ukunika yona
thathele
ngithi okay no problem I'm up
Khona
for
lapho
that
first time ufika ku Zulu Society.
like first day baba hey first few minutes how okay ngiyafika vele how umfana sukuma how dudlu mama yebo yebo I didn't even I don't even angizwa lutho nje khona ngokuthi yazi if we stock sweet bengizothi ngithi yazi ngokuthi nje vele I'm just gonna do ukuthi ngiyavuma nje okay kwagidwa nje like abantu
Bajabula.
uyabona no now ifame yami iyakhula uyabona manje umakoti we-campus others they be like umakoti we-campus understand now I'm starting to enjoy sengithenga namaphinifa if you so just that now I have to go to Ingoma Friday but I'm gonna go like this but I don't normally go like this I actually ngirala tuku ngigqoka phinifa with my sandals uyabona i-vest nje ende then I go there as umakoti nje uyabona like kube mnandi I even have iphinifa uyabona le yebo baba nkosi yami yebo uyabona so I enjoy that the most like I enjoy being umakoti nje we society like Zulus they just like those people are just beautiful man angazi ngiyabathanda bayathandeka nje like Zulus
amazulu
You like Zulu men? You like Zulu men?
lalela amazulu
yes like I
Amazulu-
said I'm a very cultural person so even if o tla mo go nna o le motswana on tha ore Dimela hle khosagati ke a go rata and nka go utlwa. Not saying ukuthi nje my dating is just based on Zulu guys.
But majority.
Mara Mazulu.
But your favor
Amazulu
Mazulu.
right.
Yeah, bonisho bayachama.
Ubona ngoba yazi unothanda kanjani?
Usho kanje.
Umzulu unothanda.
That's on a later stage. Yeah.
Like unakekela uthina.
Usho kanje. Oh yeah.
Unesineke, upatient.
Yeah, vele yeah.
Amazulu kodwa.
Uzokuhlupha nje uzomtshela nje ukuthi hayi but mina ayazi nje angifuna ukujola uzokuhlupha yazi those people are very patient. Just ask me, I know those people are they are very patient.
You don't take no for an answer.
Asifonela sitshela ukuthi fika manje.
Yeah, simele. So now I think
asasanga 5 minutes.
I think me being umakoti I'm adopting how they are. You know, like nje yazi mina ngumZulu guys. Just nje yabo ngumZulu nje yabona. And there's this song that I love yamaZulu yabo. You see kokona bazoshawa mabashawe kokona bazoshawa mabashawe phela. Is it that one? If I don't get it usho kanje
Asengomeni.
I
because
love
you khona ngeBuzulu society.
Ikona.
Mina first time.
yes wena butwa amapitori like amapitori like okay
Pitori.
like mapitori analemaka like mapitori like they just want to spice everything like like mapitori you won't say no to mapitori because uzofika athi mamela babies like Bolele something.
Yeah.
Ati Joe, what's Ati Joe? Uqedile ngawe. What's Ati Joe? Hayi ufike kawena nje. Like unalemaka.
Vele banamanga abantu labo. Ayina very mara masasikhuluma iqiniso kodwa vele uSpitori unamanga nje. Spitori sesiyakubekezelela sisi-understand ukuthi into esegazini.
Exactly.
Yabo ukhule nayo so hayi. Asikujudge.
Ngicela uyikhipha le ngoma.
Ikhiphe bo. Yebo.
Sharp, uchubeka ukucoca ke ngizoyikhipha. Angithi take your favorite song.
Yeah, so uthi wakhuphuka kumlisa.
Hayibo.
Wafika wathi mama.
Nje.
Mama. Yadliwa kini logo wathini wena?
So are you still in contact with that person?
No, lo muntu lo I think the way
for
the whole
society yonke.
Yeah.
Yeah, because vele mangena nje sanibona nabo
baba.
No, uyazi ubafo cha yazi kwenzeka vele kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi kube ukuthi vele izinto ijika kanje. Kushuthi umama une aura. Yeah, kusunoma ubani.
Yes.
Yebo leyo nto. Kusunoma ubani mama kushuthi usisekile singayibeka nje kanjalo sithi.
Yeah.
Uphiwe mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, aura yakhe ngenhla kakhulu. Hayi ngenhla ngempela.
Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga.
Singisabona ukufakaza bazothi ngamanga.
Hayi. Vele wena nje.
No.
Yeah, and
so then after lapho kwenzakalani?
Like on a later stage then they told me ukuthi like we didn't just choose you to be umakoti. Actually Umelo, I don't know if you guys know Umelo. Like Umelo no Mankabinde. They decided on
I know Mankabinde.
So
yeah, that Umelo but sithi nje sakukhetha nje ithi sibona nje sathi lo umakoti wethu nje wa society ngithi hayibo bathi dala before wena uthi wenza ama video uthi ufuna ukumenywa we were going to invite you eventually. You understand? I was like okay, like I didn't know about that. I didn't know about that like literally. And that was very very nice. Yeah, but
like fits of thing
yeah, usukhetheke kakhulu. Usukhetheke kakhulu. Kodwa vele yamfanela ngoba nendlela angayo yang understand akusumuntu manje ochomayo
even the way she articulates
exactly dog imfanela nje kakhulu lento le imfanela ngisho noma ungaba umakoti we country it's fine.
Hey,
asimandi nase KZN kahle KZN yonke
ayo makonto
izwa leyo nto.
And whenever I go lives, like they do join people from KZN, they do join. And well, I'm planning to go to KZN.
Sure.
I am planning that to attend.
Kodwa uphuma kuphi KZN? Ngiyabuza.
Ngisuka kwaNongoma.
Oh yeah, you can continue.
Okay. Yes, when we're so I'm planning on going to one of my friends, you know those like before Maunkaba Ichichi. Yeah, ufuna ukwenza umemulo nje. She invited me, so I would love to attend that. Ngizoya nje KZN.
Lalela
ngizothola nje ubaba nje oqondile nje.
Oh.
Yawo.
Mana.
Ome kahle nje.
Mana bekuya phansi.
Manje awusho ke ngiyakuzwa ukukhuluma ngobaba ufuna ukumthola eKZN mama.
Ngithi maybe mhlawumbe. Yebo.
Ya bese ngizobuza ke mina ukuthi current akekho yini.
Sozwa ukuthi ufuna umunye KZN.
Akere la bona yana.
Angathi sifuna ukuthi
yiyo lento esiyibonayo
uqinisile nabanye abantu.
Riyayibona ntwe.
Akere la bona limputa yini.
Riyayibona.
Ngikholelwa.
Esikhuluma ngayo le. Rishebile yona.
Akere la bona ke
riyayibona.
Akere la bona lovely bona ke. Okay, I'm just umakoti society nje, that's enough. Nje i-status sami simile lapho umakoti society ukuthi mina njani nobani nje iyekeni nje uyeke just that i-campus vele ngumakoti nje akekho umuntu nje obrave aze kumathi makoti ngizothi hayi ufana ngumamakho hawo
buza yona leyo
Hayi ngiyakuzwa mama.
Like you're so disappointed. Like you're so defeated.
Angazi ngizothi mina kodwa ngiyakuzwa. Kuyezwakala ukuthi umakoti we-society. Kodwa mina umbuzo usamile ukuthi umhlangano mayelana nani. Mina ngibuza.
Iwena imayelana nani?
Usamile umbuzo. Mina ngifuna ukuqonda mama ukuthi ngiyayibona le ye-society ne nasengikhuluma ngomuntu oyedwa la uMaqondana. Silapho la sikho.
So now let's get into
your Maqondana.
Athi ngagiya.
Giya phuthi.
Sukuma nje. Ngithatha wena nje.
Yabona
Baba ukuthi mawuyindoda yomZulu nje.
Uyayibona.
Kumele ukwazi ukuthi usukume nje usine.
Uyayibona
engqondweni ukuthi ngeke nje
abonise Spitori senzana ePitori.
Like no, I think it's a turn off for me for just a Zulu guy ukuthi nje engomeni yena uyahlala nje.
Correct.
Kuzomela usukume usine ngibona ukuthi
insizwa vele kumele ikhuphuke.
ngibona ukuthi no uyabona lento.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Like angazi.
Madoda.
Yeah, and coming to your question.
Yes. I'm glad you didn't forget.
Coming to your question, guys. I'm going to ngiphendule guys.
Umbuzo sami. Umhlangano mayelana nani Scott?
Guys, ngicela siyeke leyo sizoyibona next time.
No,
sizoyibona nje next time guys.
Next time ne. Sesenzela mawukuthi mhlawumbe ukhona umuntu obhekile yabo. Akwazi ke naye ukwazi ukuthi kahle umesikhathi sini.
Nginathi imbhekile.
Akwazi ukubona ukuthi uyayibona
ukwazi.
I would just say ukuthi nje ecampus mina angizingeni nje zamjolo nani nje. Guys, I have to maintain a reputation yami ukuba makoti. Cannot be seen nomuntu odizi nje. Yabona bathi babona boyfriend yakho ePalace igibele itafole. I can't. My reputation matters. My reputation matters. So if I would say ukhona uMaqondana, it will be someone out of campus, like someone maybe someone who's not even schooling. Get my point? Nje la esikoleni nje i-reputation is at stake. Angikwazi because when I go out I make sure ukuthi nje I will find other Zulu people there. I have to greet them accordingly. Vele ngithi sawubona Nkosi yami baba ya give it right.
Awusuka madoda.
Uyabona?
Ngiyakuzwa,
Even though
mama.
I can get sexy ngigcoke kahle, they do understand ukuthi ngise-group manje. Uyagroova, siyaceda, siyahamba. But I still try ukuthi i-reputation
Maintain. Awusuka madoda.
But I feel like, okay, Sharp, maintaining your reputation in terms of what umakoti Zulu society, that's a great thing, though. But don't you feel like sometimes it limits you?
No. Like
can't
I
do certain
said,
things just because.
like I said, everything that I do, I do it because ngiyathanda. I do it because I'm comfortable. Like I can wear short things. I'm a performer. I have to go to events. I have to look sexy. Even if I do those dance double, shake your body, man. I'm on TikTok. They see me. Hi, Oguti, because manje sengumakoti manje kuzomela right, like you can see Oguti ngigcoke so because after here I have to go there. We are Bonaland. I can't just go there with pants. But like last week I went there with pants because it was late and I was wearing pants. And I went there. I don't have time to go and change. What I write Mama Zala just when I'm good Sanch.
Correct.
Yeah, but then I went there and everything was fine. I was beyond limit or anything. You get my point. I can actually do anything that I want. Just that me as individual. You get me? Yes.
Yo.
When did you learn to speak IsiZulu?
Nje ngiyabamba nje yazi
Yeah,
lapho ku TikTok nje TV nje ngiyatsara nje ngikopanye uyabona sometimes arayihela guys bikili hakothi sisintombeni ngithi sanibonani Nkosi yami bengithi sona so yeah uyabona ngingathi okay kibuye siZulu yala sesisiyamini etlogela sijana kuyathameka
ngifuna siqondise kancane lento ne ngifuna ubatshele lapha according to wena ne eyiphi culture ngizobeka nje kanje
According to wena keyword
ne according to you right eyiphi culture
it's about to go down
sazokhala ayabona ayosiphatha nabantu ke shwele bafowethu eyiphi culture ekwazi ukushela mase ngithi ukushela phela ngikhuluma ngokuthi na ugcina usuthatheka phela mama ubona ukuthi ayingeke konakele phela manje ngifuna ube honest nje ubatshele mhlawumbe khona abangazi lapha ngoba mina ngiyazi
hayi mina kuzothiwa mina sengisupport abasemzini manje
no vele abasemzini kumele ubasupport
uyayibona lezo guys let's face reality well Mazulu I know me ngitlabuya esingonyana motswana they say hey Mazulu alapisa Mazulu but they know ukuthi Mazulu hata mawena nje Mazulu ki like muthathe ngoyigogobetsa manje like uyigogobetsa and they are very patient
uyigogobetsa
like uyigogobetsa uyasithoba uyabona
bamba amadolo
bamba namadolo mama
yakuthola nje ngathi ushaye kakhulu nje uyabona just that yeah
leyo khohlwa mfana leyo
or vele bakhipha belt balbeke so nje but when you skip nje just wena nje usewuvumile uri kharra ke batla go tsamaya tle motho wa modimo ore ha o heta tota wena mosadi wami and I think like Mazulu kore ke nagana gore monna tshwantse ha ile gore o batla selo he needs to show ukuthi lento le ngiyayifuna like ngiyayifuna hayi ukuthi like I think other people they think ukuthi like amaZulu they be forcing things no I think nje if uyindoda nje if kunento oyifunayo uyayiqonda straight ukuthi lo ngiyamfuna and vele ngiyamfuna nje I will do anything
and ngizomthola
nje like he doesn't mind phambi kwabantu nje avela athi hle kakupa hle muthamuntu hle like he can do that like every day
consistent
like those people like abakhathali then I would say nje ukuthi nje it's very difficult to turn it's very difficult to turn umuntu like you can't turn umZulu down you just have to be like ufane nami ube nzwembu nje uvele uthi hayi
lalela
mina vele ngumakoti Nkosi yami angazi uzomelana nje ukuthi wena ube umkhwenyane we-campus yonke
Lalela.
uzomela manje usiphathe kahle awukwazi nje uhambe nje uphuze nje manje kuzomela uphume siyakubalansa hey Nkosi yami reputation yami kuzothiwa bubu muntu wahawu
sweet drunken
Hawu,
master
Nkosi
man.
yami.
Uhlanzekile lapha ulele.
Hawu, hawu, Nkosi yami. No, I can't afford that. So like Zulus nje guys ngiyakwazi ukushela Nkosi yami. Ngiyakwazi.
Izandla. Khuphuka Zulu. Hlangana Zulu. Awusika madoda. Awuqinisile mama uyibekile lento. Vela amazulu amazulu ahamba hayi. Number 1.
Number 1.
Awu number 1 isineke sinaso.
Hayi bonke kodwa.
Nina sisineke nami ngicela.
Siyakwazi yazi
Hayi bonke.
ukubekezela mfethu into
ekhona isekazini.
hey mfethu
khona lokho bekezela ukuthina. Kuri umuntu abekezela kuri yana
Ngiyafika
ukuthi.
ngotsho.
Like kuri abekezela ukuthina ori batho umuntu kana ke a go bolela gore gwaha khona le baba o mong ke a ratana no. Oh no ku right.
yabona ke le
Ngizokhipha
ngifuna ukuyiphawulela ke le yazi kwenzakalani kwaZulu kwesinye isikhathi nema ukuthi ngizofika ngizokushela la ngizobika uthando lwami ngizoceba inhliziyo kahle kahle ukuthi inhliziyo mama iyona engithumela kuwena ukuthi manje izizwe ngathi ngathola ikhaya kuwena ithini inhliziyo iyasho ithi ifuna yena inhliziyo ayiphakelwa mfowethu idlala ayithanda khona ma ukuthi unomuntu yazi akayikhiphanga inkomo awunamuntu mama ngicela ukufaka inkomo mina kusibaya sakini ezwa ke leyo nto futhi lalela ngizwa ngithini kodwa ma ukuthi usukhishela inkomo hayi mfowethu siyahlonipha imizi yabantu hayi siyahlonipha mfowethu asiyenzi leyo nto angazi ke kulabo abakwenzayo lokho kodwa hayi ku wrong kakhulu hayi usuku nephuthu usuke kuyisinengiso leyo nto nakuyidalwa nje idalwa zingajikele ezona mawukuthi nje uzothi kinalimuntu mama iphi lingi ayiyo hayi kahle wena lalela la
but if that iyenzakala the same might apply to you
Exactly.
if lento leyo uyayenza if akafaki inkomo the same thing might be applicable to you
in what sense
in terms of ukuthi let's say
Kalifona kabani?
Spitori yakho
ungayiphendula kunenkinga
Bayede, why are you calling guys?
no kushuthi ke
it's meant to be
yazenzakalela ayibo yazenzakalela
Kulelo taro
awatoda
Baba ngizosabisa
mfethu wathi mfethu angazi kwenzakalani mama kuyazenzakalela sobala
uNkulunkulu usebenza ngezinye indlela
uNkulunkulu sometimes phela kumele ukhumbule uNkulunkulu akaphi ngesandla futhi uNkulunkulu akayenzi le yabo ukunika impawu uNkulunkulu
no
yebona ke leyo nto so
sengiyacabanga ukuthi manje khona into of
ayi nami ngiyabona ukuthi hayi mama hayi angazi
yakhetha mina nje ifone yakho why is that the Scott that you call the last person that you call
kuyazenzakalela bafethu idalwa
guys what do you
i-host
think
nje
about
iplanile lento
cha mama yazi kuyazenzakalela
mina sengiyacabanga
kuyazenzakalela angiplananga lento akusinto manje ngihlelile le angazi nami ngiyeza kukhona into ekhalayo la
khaliswa nguwe
awukanti hey marunkulu yazi uNkulunkulu
Makezosiveza footage yazi Kotlin so what do you think about Love at First Sight
hey guys
I love it first sight
as a student of Northwest University uzobona nje maqondana every second bese uyamgcina nje. So I don't think I believe in that. Angazi. Plus now I'm one person. You think ukuthi I'm actually maintaining eye contact now. Kanti mina I'm just uyabona. Kanti wena ujida ulapho. Ungene majideni ukuthi mfethu like ububu was literally staring at me.
Nangu lo muntu lo uhlezi athi bayamfuna ama bembheka.
No,
nje abasuke bangabheka kanjani.
You I know. I'm sorry to say this on podcast, but this one I know ukuthi ukhuluma ngani because like yes. Those things when they happen, I'm around. One of my friends nje uyamthanda nje yes uyamthanda.
Oh uthanda yena?
Umthanda nje like every day if like
every umngane wakho kuza ku podcast ngi20.
Nkosi yamkhohlwa khona.
Bayathanda boy.
Like she's very shy.
No,
like, she's very shy.
Singing.
She would faint. Ukuba just next to him, she would. Literally, like, like, keep on wondering. Ezinye izinto
zimane kwenzeka.
Ukhalela phela then utomotona. Understand? That's what I said to her ukuthi nje ubuti nje.
Why?
Mari out sharp.
Red flag because
no,
he out sharp. Yeah.
Out sharp, but do you know like those working like red flags like you're too perfect. Like you're too perfect nje. Ayikho nje lo mjita nje ayikho into like.
Obviously cash maybe perfect. Then you go cash.
Not to see body perfect. Not to see body perfect.
When perfect.
Ndithi kanjani?
Perfect.
Podcast.
Because
no.
How come a person becomes
perfect?
Too perfect. Because when you said you advise your friends to see umuntu yamkhalela then uphuma kuye. Ungazigini. That's what you said.
Like, you know, this guy is one of the guys la ever sit. You wouldn't just approach. You understand? You won't just come to a guy and say, well, I mean, I'm one person, I will never do that.
Yes.
Reputation doesn't allow me. Ngithi nje ufike emajideni uthi hayi bafethu bubu uze kum nje lo girl usishayile ngami yokhohlwa. So I think he's one of the guys by Lokoreng. You wouldn't just come to you like they're always like serious, composed, like nje usirazi ngempilo. Usirazi nje ngempilo nje you wouldn't like you won't get time and again
Ubani?
Lo.
EFF
for me.
Lo, I saw him on like EFF videos and all of that.
Scott. Amandla.
Oh, okay. I thought we.
Oh yeah, I think we will be at Amandla.
So yeah, kwenzeka guys.
Yeah,
it happens.
Yeah, for real.
And most of them will buy a jewel. You won't find.
So then why red flag, EFF?
Hi, you're born EFF nje i-comrade guys. Ama-comrade azonilimaza.
Ama-comrade they instill discipline, man.
You think
they're
so?
very, very disciplined. Amandla. Comrades. Yeah, like for real.
What do you think ama-comrade alimaza?
Like comrades are just like ama-comrades, bruh.
I
like, do you know what comrades?
We are poor and marginalized.
Like, let me tell you about like my experience, mina. Ngama-comrades. Ne.
Experience? Ne comrade?
No. Ndithe nama-comrade. Mamela. Hayi ukuthi mina ngike ngajola ne-comrade. Let me tell you something. EFF uzoza kuwe. Hayi because wamokhatla or anything. Because end goal is for you to sign the membership.
Yes.
And like ama-comrade nje
manipulation.
Uzofika kuwe nje babies nje yazini umuhle nanani. I just had to walk nanani. No problem. EFF they're very.
They're doing all of that just for the membership.
That's
crazy.
You know what they're doing there? It's part of a persuasion technique called pathos. It's like they appeal to you using emotions and all of that. Obviously,
After taking you out, there's no way you can say no.
and then I am done. So,
Like
so
that's
sign
what
me
they
membership.
do. So that's one thing I
Next
don't like
target.
about Amakomorate. Like you understand? Because like but some bana. Like my first year, okay, now okay, the first year, but I'm from college. But some because hot fella and give you attention. You are a first year, you're from like a high school, and obviously when you get to your room, like, oh, this guy came to me. Can't the guy who figure it?
Sign
Sign
membership.
And I tried like I can't wait to go to somebody what like I told those girls if they see this they will actually comment like I did. I told them first of all mafikeng ke room ne I'm mafikeng ile 2 room ke wana mafikeng ke 2 room. I know what I'm talking about. You need
one 2 room.
What do you mean by that? Mafikeng ke 2 room
like Ritani.
Like
we know each other and we actually you think Bubu wouldn't know that person. I know that person. The issue when I was that's how we know each other. Like
correct.
You get my point? That was like if Mafiken get to room, room, which means you nibo in a corner, murungi one.
Yes.
So you
that couch you don't go to room. It's in their power.
Bruh, like you say that.
Yes.
I mean, so like in the one you need. I wanna tell you something. Don't think people they don't know. They know. Let me tell you something. Like they know. Like they know.
How
you
do
see,
they know,
you see this thing. I'm a confession. Ne? I don't follow those things. They just randomly send on a group chat. They go see. Ugela was at last 12 they say like someone screenshot we send it. Like someone can just comment go group chat ati uban bani ohlala eroom amang umuntu wakumnandi. Yebo. Okay.
Yebo.
Oh. No, okay.
Yebo. Ziyakhala mos.
And then
how do you know? How do you even know that we are dating?
Yeah, bana.
Let me tell you something. Everything that you do, like they know everything, Baba. Like they will know Uguti Umakoti after a podcast. Yeah, wahlangana nje no bayete. We saw Umakoti ahagubayete nje who is this ubayete person. They know. Like they know. I announced like yesterday on my live, obviously I'll be having a podcast today and everything. They were like, you should be live and all of that. Just that I can call you. I just remembered.
Hey, ngabe siba live.
Yeah, but
Wayenzi manje.
What time is it, Vel? Ne? So when I tell you ngithi mina nje campus 2 room in everything that you do, you have to be like careful.
Correct.
Don't think ukuthi asazi.
Yes.
You might know uthi mina nawe but I already know ukuthi icrush yakho ihamba kanje. Ukubone nini kanjani wenza
don't tell indaba zami mina nami ngifuna
hayi wena ngifuna lokubona wena kusiba ukubona
azoza next ngam crush
no like kusiba ukubona like literally I won't lie about that. No, so nje campus you just have to maintain a certain reputation.
Yeah.
Kwaziwa ukuthi okay uguy hot but like as a baby.
Yeah, uyiphethe kahle
nje uguy nje alright yabo. So and little they please you know we don't actually investigate. Fela muntu hela ay mo gating fela ba go bitsa. So you see this guy, this is what's happening 1 2 3. Oh, okay. I got the information. Okay. You understand? This is the guy no hote 160. Like the new bus. No, I'm just saying guys.
What's the worst you've had? You got about someone. I didn't know this.
Like this other guy from class 13 I got like there's so many like gay people. So when I'm dating class 13, are you sure to straight? That's the first question that we ask because of that that incident. Yoguthi nje sesiyavuka busuku igeyalwa
Ende bengekho uqinisile 2 room ngizwile ngaleso story
Yeah. No, guys. No, I love gay people. Gay people, they are like, but about they're very fun and everything. I would think yeah, just that like. At last 13, kuba unexpected like umjida mfethu. Lo muntu lo ugqoka all star. Kuthiwa no, like this guy is my man.
Yeah.
Like no man. Like we are we are born now. Good life. Even now, if you tell me when you're interested, kuba how don't.
And then.
Kanjani manje?
Ushaye
Like I'm
Oscar
gonna be
musindoda.
disappointed. Like I'm gonna like, and other people they
So
just.
then amantombazane like say umngane wakhe afika kuba athi ngiyajola John bathi ujola nobani hlala
Cluster 13. We have to confirm now ukuthi lo muntu lo.
Yeah, no, it's bad.
Because like it last day after that incident, that's how people view it. Kuti like that race in Amake Maningi. We are born. Because like after that, I get the girl from like cluster 12 was involved. Allegedly, they were like they don't see I don't know those that no ugele boyfriend and Sunday in the boyfriend and the boyfriend more so Nicola litaba zibini.
And then you sing at bekulwela uScott lapho. Bengalwela yena kanje. Wakusuyi. Oh, hey.
So no, allegedly nje
Nithi bebalwela
I
wena
don't want
boy.
them to come for me, but I'm just saying allegedly.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying. None. And I was very shocked when they sent pictures of those guys on the group chat. I'm like, have lo muntu lo akubamba inkunzi mfethu uba kanjani gay?
Hey.
This person can just be except keep your phone.
Njengo Theapos so.
No, athi nje keep your phone.
Nanoma abantu inkunzi.
I would nje angithi kanjani.
Mari uyambona na.
Athena ngaba abantu inkunzi.
Yes, when you are those ones like you come to you like hey baby so you
Keep your phone.
Mawuthi nje the night is already.
Music chain, that's what I'm saying. The music. Yabona tana yabona mama.
Uzositulela nke. Can I play your song and then utlopin?
Utlopin na koyan.
Guys, is this what you agreed on?
Yo.
Performance.
Lalela.
So send the invoice, kunle.
Yo.
After that, to make the invoice.
Please,
Yes.
ngiyayicela nje imali yami. Like ngiyayicela imali yami.
Money invoice.
So, ngambone chai ngaphendula. Hey,
like
I am very shy coming to this. I don't like giving intimate performances.
It's a song.
And you see, like after this, I'm a gay, but it takes that. But it's going to be kind. Basically, we are playing.
Ganjan.
Go.
If Benya can go pick up.
Back up.
Yeah.
Come up. Come up with me. Do you know what it means? Goddess.
Oh, goddess admitted. Admitted. Yes.
Come up and get.
Can't see for me.
It's true. Where the man? Hey, nine, do the guy. I am chill. Hey.
But can't you for me? Lyrics. Siya studio na. Siya studio. You guys can sing.
Angeke ngithole into eso ngaphandle kwe-Vibescape we-Written Poem.
Angeke ayitholakali exclusive
Performance from Gugu.
khohlwa
Yeah.
I know
Yeah.
no icamaku livumile
Icama lona livumile ngempela.
umveli nqangu uvumile
Yes.
ya injalo nje lento bafethu cha
But wishing you all the best
yeah
in your journey as Vibescape, not just me.
Yes.
As
the team.
The team. We wish you the best.
yeah and hopefully I make a couple of songs with you because I also do music. Yes.
Hopefully, when you come back, the phone will never ring.
Eish. Yeah, I hope God won't show me a sign again.
We hope so.
Yes, we hope
and
so.
we hope like your journey with the Zulu society. But I'm calling like ngiyathemba ukuthi your journey the Zulu society ne like will be
Mara chumona wajona mara. Like kusho masokoti.
yazi ngithanda kanjani yazi ngithanda kanjani
Yeah, true.
so ngiyabonakala ne eshiba ngiphethe kahle ngase ngiyadlala so we wishing you all the best good music journey academics and stuff and music society and what are your plans for
Music society.
Zulu society Icama kusasengqondweni yami. So what are your future plans
Like my
short
future
term, long
plans.
term?
Yeah, I would say for now actually I wanna produce new music. Release new music because like
Different
please not
genres as
focus
well.
on my music that much. Now I wanna give my music like a bit of attention. You understand? Because I do have I do almost every month I'm having a gig. Even this month I'm having a gig. You understand? I have a Calatina to perform at. And yeah.
Elegant.
I have to look, yeah, you get me. So I think I just have to give like my music like attention and balance my academics. You understand? Then at the same time figuring out what's in G, it won't say cool but music is just part of me. And I do music because in Yatando Tula. You understand? That's why most of the time I be performing Kodi. Like I have tribute songs. You understand? Like people I have tribute songs so Tinchi. Siyacela Nkosi yami, understand?
Naku-freshers siyacela mama ukuthi vele bazoyenza i-freshers. Hopefully sibone lapha.
Yes. On a bigger stage.
Yes. On a serious one.
Yeah, serious business.
Yes.
So yeah, but no, it's var. No, thank you so much. It was a very, very wonderful episode. You see, this one is one of those. It's one of those. It's one of those.
Yes,
yeah, we've been blessed.
And it's one of those. With the guest who is one of those.
Yes, you feel me? Yeah, I see what you.
One of those. That's Ganjan. I mean, but backbone goes to Ena. You are one of us.
Yeah.
We do one man.
Yes.
And this podcast,
Yes.
this episode will be one of those.
Yeah.
Yes, you see this one. This segment. This segment, it was very. Yeah, no, thank you so much for coming today.
I wish we had more time, fun.
Pardon?
I wish we had more time.
Yeah, I wish as well.
At least there's next time.
Yeah.
At least.
Yeah. Ingathi masikhiqiza lesibhali exclusive. Yeah, exclusive content. They must pay for this one, you understand?
Members own.
But siyabonga kakhulu
My favorite to pay.
yeah, it's for membership. I'm a subscriber pay.
Subscribers.
I'm a subscriber. You won't see this one, unfortunately.
Yes.
So you have to subscribe in order
Please,
to.
guys, comment.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, izobhala lapha ngenzansi
Thumela ukuthi ba-comment la. Bathumela.
Just comment and guys, I'm gonna make sure nizobona bazofika nje.
Yes.
Don't be keyword ukuthi ba-comment ngayo.
Sorry, mara. Kotiza.
Yeah, Kotiza. Yeah, but if they watch till this, if they watch till maybe till this part,
Yeah.
they comment about
But
Kotiza.
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 And me to follow
Kotiza.
us.
Yeah, share your handles.
Handles,
Yeah,
yes,
just
yes.
Bubu the vocalist, it's just everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Instagram,
Yeah, TikTok.
TikTok, Facebook.
Facebook,
Yeah, as for
what's up?
Twitter.
Oh,
Twitter.
07.
what's up? 07. You know, it's only for yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It is-
If you guys get my numbers, it's him.
We want. Don't worry. I won't share your numbers.
Good.
It's for only for fans.
Yeah. For
Yes, only fans.
people who mean business. Bubu, I would love for
Yeah,
performance.
yeah, yeah.
One-on-one performance. Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Sure.
Hi, Magabubu.
Danko.
Yes,
So disappointed.
Booking it's 50k, ne?
Wazokhuluma naye.
Oh, uzokhuluma
no,
naye.
just.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Vibescape Origin Podcast. When your topic is off.
Topi.
Your topic is off.
Topi.
Shout out to 20 episodes.
Sure. Oh, 28 episodes. Yo. 28 episodes. Yo. C'est fini, le podcast scooter.
Mein Zug sokuqala sukela mein Zug sokuqala mina ngabe kehlosini ngibhlungu ngenamba ngithethela isikhukhulu umculo kukala nomama ababadabo hlezi bangichaza ama hater ngithezela inkuni ngihlezi ngibabasa